Yeah, it is.
No, it ain't.
Well, why isn't it? Of course it is.
Okay.
I've got this, my voice recorded saying this is the beginning of this movie.
1975.
Who is that?
Is that what it is? This is recording onto here now, Dean.
Oh,
You can talk. Deb's going to cut the audio out.
no.
But it's now digitising.
Had squirrels there too in them days.
Yes.
Amazing, isn't it?
This is 1975.
We guesstimate 1975. Where do you think it is, Daddy?
Oh, go-karts.
Oh, yeah, we were in. That's good.
Gatlinburg.
Look at me, see me drag on a go-kart.
Is that Pigeon Forge?
You know,
No.
And honey,
Where's that at?
here's what we're trying to figure out.
Now you're under a bridge somewhere.
see, 1965 Oldsmobile pulling that trailer. I didn't have a lick of sense, but
I'm telling you, you were young and stupid, weren't you? That's for the record.
yeah, that's Smokies, but I don't know where. Now this is Greenbrier Baptist Church, old-fashioned day. 1975, I guess.
There goes that old Mr. Haygood's old car.
Intercepted by Devin probably.
He better not have a phone.
He does.
I told him to leave the phones alone for the rest of the
No,
night.
they're both in here.
What is that?
There's Mr. Bob Thompson. He walked around real good then.
Louise.
There's Melanie in the white